guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am showing you some more candy table treat ideas, but this time with a gender reveal. I am just doing a little test run just to give you guys an idea because I really enjoy doing these projects. So if you want to see what I made, let's just keep on watching. So guys, all the items I have here will be listed in the description box below. So if you want to know what I got, just look in the description box. Just make it a little bit simpler. So as you guys see here, I melted a little bit of white chocolate and I am twisting my Oreos apart very gently. Unfortunately, the Oreos I got were all cracked and I was just very upset. I meant they were together. However, if you looked at the cookie, you could see a crack on at least one side and some of them even on both sides. So I was pretty upset. I think it was just made that way. I'm not really sure because I was not being aggressive with these pops. See there, it cracked because it was already cracked, so it was really upsetting. But I didn't want to go get some more Oreos because I don't know guys, I just wanted to stick with what I got just to spend a little bit less money. But I ended up getting 6 cake pops, but you can see here how I am doing it. I just took a stick, dip it in chocolate, put it in between the cookies, and voila, that's what you got here. You could see, if you look really closely, there is cracks on some of these. And yeah guys, I did what I could and they still came out pretty good. I am going to dip it in chocolate and decorate pretty soon. And guys, I've told you guys several times before, these candy melts are really hard to work with, but I found a solution. I ended up just putting it in this little pot on very, very low heat. I know a lot of people will probably just be like, why didn't you use like a double boiler? I don't have one, not yet, but this still came out pretty good. I ended up putting a tablespoon of coconut oil in the chocolate while it was heating up, and I just kept stirring really quickly without stopping. I just kept stirring it and stirring it up, and that way it didn't burn for me, and it actually came out pretty good. Like you can see here how it's just dripping really easily. And if it was a little bit too thicker, I kept adding coconut oil and it came out perfect, guys. Now I know what to do with this chocolate until I get a double boiler. But I was so excited, and no more tough chocolate. It actually lasted quite a few minutes. I was very, very happy. Just to let you guys know, I did have like an idea with this. I just used, obviously here, blue chocolate, and I sprinkled it on with pink chocolate. And then towards the end, you guys will see me do a flip around where I used pink chocolate and decorated it with blue sprinkles, and I thought they came out pretty cute. As you guys see here, I was afraid, since the Oreos were already cracked, I was afraid if I dipped it in the chocolate that the part of the cookie that was cracked will fall into the chocolate. So I was like, no, let me just take a spoon and just drizzle all the chocolate all on top of it and just let it roll down and just even it all out. And I just tapped off all the excess, and there you go guys. How cute are those? I did just, all you gotta do is decorate, dip, tap, and decorate. Even though I didn't really tap here, but you know what I mean. So you guys already seen me just dipping the actual just regular cookie into the chocolate as well and decorating it, mainly because I felt that was easier than risking cracking all the cake pops. And you can see here how still they looked out pretty cute without the little stick. Perfect, super cute. I actually really like the blue with the pink sprinkles. I like the other version too, as you guys will see towards the end. But I really liked the blue and then the pink. I don't know why, it just came out really pretty. And these wafers I got from the dollar store for just $1, and I did the same as everything else. I dip, tapped, and decorate. So I'm gonna let you just watch me decorate these cute little cookies and cake pops and all that good stuff, you know.
Cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah. Can you bring your friends? We were minded. turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky.
How cute did they turn out? Am I right? Am I right? Anyways, guys, now it's time to dip my treats in some pink chocolate and sprinkle it with blue sprinkles and white sprinkles on some of them. As you guys, see here, I'm doing the same process as I did before with the Oreo Pops because I did not want it to fall apart. But I promise you guys, if you guys have whole Oreos and they were not previously broken, they will turn out just as great. Actually better, obviously, because there's no cracks. But yeah, guys, that is it. I am just gonna let you watch me decorate these treats just while listening to good music, because I like to give you guys some good music. So just keep on watching.
Oh damn, I've been feeling something for you lately, and I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy, 'cause all I really, really want is to be with you. And I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh no, I don't wanna be the one with answers, because I sure don't wanna know which girl you choose. And no, the thought of her being your private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh, yeah, I'm scattered, we're just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming, 'cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's deceiving. Why, oh why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still.
So that is it, guys. These are my treats that I created for a mock gender reveal candy table. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Like, share, comment, do all that good stuff to help out my channel. I would really appreciate it. Until my next video, bye. Oh, just to let you guys know, please give me some ideas for candy tables, and I will definitely do my best to create some candy treats for you guys. Okay, bye.